It's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On this video, we will be designing with the newest Softlex design kit called Book Lovers. And here is everything that they released in the kit. They recently released this kit on June 26th, and I will leave a link down below in the description if this kit is still available, as well as any of the extra items, as well as the new upcoming kit for the future month. So I thought this kit was really nice. Usually we can make jewelry with it or during the holiday season, some ornaments or something like that. But with this, it was kind of thinking outside the box and crafting. So I have a couple projects coming up that's more non-jewelry related. But for this one, we're going to be doing a bookmark using the Softflex antique brass, and this was the wire that came in the kit, as well as this beautiful bookmark, and then a couple beads. Exclusive beads were these little heart beads. The cubes were from the Jesse James bead mix, and an exclusive charm that says "Once Upon a Time," and then a few 2x2s to make my bookmark. Let's start creating. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow, and I really appreciate it. Cut about 5 inches of Softflex wire. I'm going to slide on my charm and one 2x2. Create a little loop for my charm to just kind of dangle around. We're going to take our pliers and we'll give it a smash, and then we're going to rotate. And this is just going to give it a more professional finish. We have a little bit of a tail, so we're just going to trim that. So we have our charm added on our Softflex wire. I'm going to add on one of my little hearts and one of these 6mm pink cube beads and another heart. And I'm just going to repeat my pattern. Probably only need about 3 inches of the Softflex wire, but that's okay that I have extra. I'll always save it for another project. So I'm just going to trim that. And now I'm just going to add my last 2x2, and this is going to connect to my book charm. We're just going to slide it through our loop. And we are going to take our pliers and rotate. And if you wanted to, you could add more than one charm on there. You could make your loop smaller, completely up to you. So I'll just trim off that little tail that I have. Just like that, we have our adorable little bookmark charm using the Softlex design kit in Book Lovers. Also, when I opened up my kit, I did a unboxing video, and I will leave a link down below in the description for that, as well as I have all the videos of my tutorials and playlists on my channel. But I just started creating. I was so inspired when I opened up this kit that I made these little earrings with the check glass lentil beads, and then a couple of the beads from the Jesse James bead mix and Tiara Cast Lucky Cat charms. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Have an awesome day.